Hello everybody, I'm going to be showing you probably one of the most trash pistols in the whole game. And some attachments that you might want to run on it, depending on if you guys will use this. But most of you guys hate this. Honestly, this is one of the worst SMGs ever that I've ever seen. So this honestly just freaking hate it. Honestly, I just hate this thing in general. But this kind of increases it by just kind of a little bit, but please don't use this, guys, unless you guys are like really good at making attachments or any of that stuff. Just don't use this. I'm gonna show you guys anyways. Honestly, this is probably one of my least favorite pistols. Don't hate on me, I just don't like it. Honestly, pretty good for hip firing, but honestly, just kind of bad. It's kind of mid, but got long range hip fire, kind of ish. Honestly, y'all know what I'm about to name this. Anyways, guys, you guys probably did not enjoy this. I really don't like this pistol. Honestly, if you guys wanted to, y'all could probably add this, but it's just don't use this, guys. I'm telling ya, you should just probably not even use it. Personally, this is just bad. It just doesn't matter what you put on it. It's most likely still gonna be bad. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys just this. Goodbye, guys. It takes like the whole mag just to freaking kill someone. But anyways, I will see you guys probably in the next video. So, bye. Oh, crap. Sorry, guys.